Hello everyone, welcome back to Optitian. So today we're diving into an exciting competition that is all about innovation and as well as impact. The Muthoot Finclusion Challenge 2025. So if you're a student looking to shape the future of finance in India, this is your golden opportunity. Stick around to learn all the details about this competition. So from eligibility to prize worth of 9 lakhs. As we're going to discuss all the details about this competition, so watch this video till the end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where we will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now let's start the video. So first off, introduction to the event. Now the Muthoot Finclusion Challenge 2025 is India. It is a premier innovation contest which is aimed at solving the real world financial challenges with the theme of your chance to propel the India towards a financial inclusion. This competition brings together some of the brightest minds to create the innovative solutions for financial inclusion. It being hosted by the Muthoot Group, so Muthoot Institute of Technology and Science, and as well as Muthoot Business School as academic collaborators. So this challenge isn't just about the prizes; it's all about making a difference. The participants stand a chance to win a 9 lakhs in cash prize and also inclusively a pre-placement interview opportunity with a salary package of up to 20 lakhs. Now, let's talk about the eligibility criteria. Here is out who can participate in this competition. Open to the MBA students first and as well as second year, a BE BTech students second, third, and as well as fourth year students, and also integrated dual degree students like third, fourth, and as well as fifth year student. So, from selected college list, here is what the selected college list are there. If your college is there in this list, then you are eligible to apply for this competition, or else you are not at all eligible to apply for this competition. So make sure you check it once in this list. So now cross specialization and as well as cross year teams are also allowed in this competition. Remember, all teams members must verify the details to finalize the team formation. So make sure you are on the form and as well as eligible institute. Now let's talk about the competition process. So what exactly the process is there? So the first we have an online assessment. Only the team leader takes this test covering the aptitude skills like logical reasoning, quantitative ability, and verbal reasoning. The second round we have an executive summary submission round. The shortlisted teams will create a 1 to 2 slides of PowerPoint summary proposing the solution to case topic. The round 3 we have a masterclass and as detailed submission round. Teams attend a masterclass led by the industry leaders. Then they will submit a 3 to 5 slides of PPT with their detailed solution. The last we have grand finale. Top teams present their solutions to Muthoot leadership and an esteemed jury. Winners are announced based on the creativity, flexibility, and impact also. Here is what the main thing, that is rewards and as well as prizes. So the winner will be getting a 5 lakhs plus and as well as PPI, that is a pre-placement interview opportunity. The first runner is up to a 3 lakhs plus PPI opportunity. Second runner will get up to a 1 lakh plus PPI opportunity. So PPIs are of coveted roles like product manager, finance, and as well as business analyst with the CTC which is ranging from the 15 to 20 lakhs. Now, why you need to participate? Here is what the main thing, that is it's your chance to make a real impact on financial inclusion in India. You will gain an exposure to the industry leaders and also you will showcase your ideas on a national platform. You will win a cash prize, mentorship, and also inclusive career opportunities. Now, here are the key dates that so first we have registration deadline, that is 31st December. Next key date is of online assessment, that is 5th January 2025. Executive summary submission is of 8th to 16th January 2025. Zonal final submission 1st February 2025. Zonal finals 3rd to 5th February 2025. National finale submissions of 20th February 2025. National finals 2020 February 2025. Now, how to apply for this? It is very simple. The link is in the description box. So when you click on that link, you will get redirected to this page and you can simply press on apply now register button. You can register for this event and make sure your team registration as well as ensure that all details are verified in this thing. Now start preparing for the online assessment and subsequent rounds. So from my side, there is a pro tip that collaborate with the diverse teammates for unique perspective and also focus on the real world feasibility while proposing the solution. So the Muthoot Finclusion Challenge 2025 is not just a competition, it is a platform to innovate, learn, and as well as shine. If you have a passion for problem solving and a vision to transform the India's financial ecosystem, this is your time to step out. So, are you excited about this challenge? So let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it thumbs up and share it with your friends, and also subscribe to Opportunity Fund for more exciting updates. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay up notified about the latest opportunities. And I will see you in the next video.